Talk 68, protection against fragments or particles. Small fragments. Tiny particles. Pieces of metal, wood, or material. All of them can become dangerous projectiles. Thrown by a machine, by a tool, or even by the material we are shaping. And when they fly, they don't ask permission. They go straight to our eyes, our face, our hands, our body. Collective protection. There are ways to stop them. Protective screens. Transparent, if possible. Placed between the worker and the tool. But remember, if the screen becomes scratched or blurry, replace it. Visibility is safety. Extraction systems. Strong enough to capture the particles before they reach us. Workstations must be placed wisely. If there is a risk of projection or splashes, they should not interfere with other stations. But if that risk is unavoidable, then we must act. Place protective barriers. Mark and signal the danger zone. And limit access, so that no one else is exposed. Personal protective equipment. When collective protection is not enough, we turn to personal protection. Safety glasses. The right lenses. For the type of risk. Impact. Liquids. Particles. Face shields. Fixed or adjustable, depending on the job. Gloves. Aprons. Sleeves. Anything that keeps our skin safe. And always remember, these protections must be certified. No improvisations. Instructions for all workers. Never remove or disable machine protections. Always respect the warning signs of particle projection. And above all, always wear your eye and face protection. Final message. Particles may look small, but the injuries they cause can change your life. 1 second of neglect. One eye unprotected. One shield removed. That is enough. Protect yourself. Protect your team. Don't give fragments or particles the chance to win.